So curious, you might be curious what I have in my little utility box up here. I got mosquito deterrent here. Of course, that'll be coming out pretty soon. I have my balls for number of fish that I have, so I do that. And then I have my Rapala scales. I'll have a link in the description for them, so I like the heck out of those. I have boxes with glow sticks in them, little bitty ones and great big ones, but I use glow sticks for night fishing, shake them up, and they work real well, so I like them. So they go on the bottom. Snack here or there. I got my scarf. Wife likes to wear gloves when she's putting worms on. She just doesn't want the worm guts on her. My extra CO2 cartridge. My deep woods spray. My other sweet smelling bug spray. All that'll come out in the winter time. Hand cleaner goes in here. Extra plug for the water. I have in here my power banks. I've got 3 power banks right over there. I've got my 360 here, Insta360 camera in here. I've got extra thumb gel, another glow stick I need to put in the box. Forgot that one. So thumb gel. I got index cards for the fishing contest there. I've got tie downs. I got a headlamp here in case I need it. I got my batteries for my Insta360, more thumb gel, another flashlight here for spotting around. Put my batteries for my GoPro in there. Tie wraps. You never know when you never have enough tie wraps. So I got them. I put them in the bottom of the box down here. I've got my lure retrieval here. I don't use it as much as I used to, but it does do a good job when you do use it and need it. Apparently I've got line twisted up somewhere here, so I'll have to figure that one out. The best investment is that pole there. I've retrieved more lures, mine and others, out with that than you could ever think of. Trash bags, ooh, my snacks, wipes, my card for my motor guide, binoculars, reading glasses, sunscreen, Harbor Freight spotlight, pretty cool. It's all this stuff is rechargeable too. Got to have rechargeable things. Got these hat lights here. Just clip them on the bill of your hat and their motion, so you can cut them off with your hand, so you can have them on and off. So they're real cool. All rechargeable, of course. I got extra batteries, remote batteries, AAA batteries, AA batteries. Put them in a sandwich box, kind of Tupperware type of deal. Of course, you know, you got to have enough cords to do all the things that you plug in. I've got charging ports up there, and I've got one on the dash. Clamp for, I don't remember what that's for. Another charging port or charging thing. Fishing wipes, lemon flavored or lemon fresh air. There they are. So I put them in there. I have extra memory cards for the camera and for the Lowrance Elites. So if I'm doing a C-map, contours and stuff. I've got that, so I have that in there. All these things, trying to organize it just a little bit, but they're just, you know, mainly you keep it, you get out in the water and you try and find something and it just turns into a mess, so I kind of quit trying to organize things. Ziploc bags, I always need them for something. More tie wraps. So let me get my line all squared away here and we'll wrap this up. So that pretty well wraps up some of the few things that I've done to the boat, or things that I have on the boat that I think are necessary. I've got a lot more stuff to show you that I've done to the boat. What I plan on doing, some more things. I like to more or less customize it to be my boat, you know, make it mine, do things to help it, you know, just make it more comfortable and all. So that's all for now. So don't forget to like us, subscribe, and share the video so to help grow my channel, because I'm just starting out. Maybe a little rough around the edges, but I'm trying. So hang in there with me. Thanks.